And we're back. I'm Steven from Rugged Routes, and today I just want to introduce you guys really quickly to the new Forest Service maps that are now available on the Lowrance GPS units. So what we have here is just the basic base map starting out, but what I want to show you is if you disable the shaded relief option in the unit under the presentation menu, you'll see that the common yellow background that everybody talks about all the time is really just out in like BLM land and other properties. What we're talking about here today is the Forest Service land, which is outlined in this light green color. So knowing that, we can come in here. I already have the card loaded in this. This is going to be for all national forest lands within the state of California. On this particular card, I have many others for central and western states available as well. So just showing you this as an example. We're going to come in here to view and photo overlay, and then we're going to turn photo overlay to full. Currently I have this unit in a demo mode that shows our current location cursor over near the Rubicon Trail. So we're just going to zoom in down to like the half-mile mark, or the, let's say, quarter-mile or so, and we're going to see topo maps that you've probably seen many times before. This is very similar to the paper printed maps that you'll find like at a ranger station. So plenty of detail in here as far as elevation, roads, road numbers. Lakes are marked back in here. Basically all the essentials. Campgrounds are in here as well, residential, city streets, highways, etc., etc. So this is just to give you guys a quick intro. For more information, check out the Rugged Routes website, and the link is in the description below. If you guys have any questions or comments regarding this, drop it in the comments box, and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.